Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to reset TikTok For You page. So open TikTok application on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then in the top right corner you see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu, that's what we need, and here navigate to settings. Here you should scroll down to the section Content and Display, and here select Content Preferences, and here find Refresh Your For You feed. And then tap Continue and confirm your decision by tapping Refresh button. And now you see that I have just refreshed my For You feed. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.